Yes. Oh, you're gonna lie down with me? Me? Silly boy. You shouldn't run about so fast, hunting bunny rabbits. You get knackered, don't you? Me? Silly boy. Help! Ah. Oh, let me now. No, here. He's all wet, Brea is. Well, there's a view. No, help. Oh.
That could be a huge mistake.
I can't get up in a hurry. Phew. Brea, Brea, what do you want? You're all wet and soggy. Yuck. Oh, don't sit on me. What? 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 Yeah. Oh, heck. I've got a treat in my hand. Oh. All gone. There's 2 more there, but not for you. No, they're not for you. You've had yours. You had yours. Look. Kane. Save me. Help. I don't know if I'm getting this. No, you've had yours. Look. Brea, you're not a greedy boy, are you? You a greedy boy? Oh, God. He's got it. Gone. All gone. All gone. And you stay in there because you think I've got another one. Hey? Brea. What? No? I haven't got any more. He does know.
I don't care what you say. I know the streets there.
Ooh, what can I see through this camera? Somebody heard a pheasant. Look, do you want yours?
No, go and get your treats. Go to Mum.
Kane, do you want yours? Oh, oh. Yeah. Good boy. Good boy. You still there watching my hand? Look, didn't hang along, turn around, did he? I should have to put it down to break it. No, 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 no. Whatever you're going to do, don't. Help. He's okay, Brea, they're having them up there, look. Treats up there. Go and get them. No! Oh dear. I'm sure Mummy has the same treaties. Oh, help. Oh, God. Oh. 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 Look. Gone. It's gone. It's gone.
Did you find it there?
It's gone. Gone.
Brea, here.
It's gone. Really? It's gone, really. Really, it's gone. No. No. This is Cane, Nooks and Breas. Oh, Cane's even. All right, sit. Sit. Oh, you are.
You just had another
You
one.
are. Sit. No. Don't know this one either. It's one of the blues, but I don't know which one. Could be holly blue. Pretty little thing. It's on yarrow. White flowers, yarrow. Beautiful little thing. Not coming to frighten it off. Mm. Good boy. Really pretty. Tiny. Gone. Only gone there though. Hunting away after running about. Oh, you come in now. What do you want? You think I got one as well? What? Not Daffy's dogs, are they? Sit. 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 Ah! Whoop, whoop, whoop. Uh-oh. Oh. Right, Brea, lie down. Lie down. Good boys. Good boys. Except Brea's right. Oh, gone. Oh, gone. Cane! Cane! Yeah. Yeah. Good boy, Cane. Oh. Now look, empty hands. Oh, they don't want me now. Eee.
Yeah, he's got a ball as well, hasn't he? You got a ball?
Hello, Brea. You here again? No, no more. No more shooting. No. Oh. Ugh, wet and soggy ball. Mad dogs.
Making me itch. I love the way they go up. Kane's just gone up, picked up Brea's ball, gone over here and laid down with it. So Brea's gone over and picked up Kane's ball. It's like, oh well, I'll get another
The
one.
swapses, yeah. They don't mind, do they?
No.
A lot of dogs would not have it. They'd go for each other, yeah. Can hear a bird joining in. It's like a toy village, model fort village over there. And that little place with the church is Morva. And that's Pendine Lighthouse, Pendine Watch.
Pick your ball, Brea.
And some farm buildings just down the road.
Pick your ball up. Go on.
Some moo cows.
Pick yours up.
Oh, it didn't last. Oh, you turned up, did you? No wonder with a big snoot in the way. You did a bunk.
Boy. Give it here then, and I'll throw it for you.
That was Brea round by. No, Brea! No.
I wonder if they ever think like mine squeaks better than yours, like kids do.
Yeah. Right, Nook. Did it not bite me? I'll flick it off a minute. It's gone.
Got Brea's ball now.
Oh, we've done a swap.
Brea's thinking, what have we done with yours? Don't mind you having my ball, but I want to play with yours. Where is it then? Where is it, Brea? Must be there because he hasn't moved. Got to be around there, Brea.
It's probably lying on it.
No, it's just down there a bit, Brea. Oh, sorry, Kane. Down there. Down there in front of me, look. Brea. Kane's found it. You go and get Kane's ball then. Not mine back.
Sun's come out.
What's the matter? Catch.
Don't know if you can see that. It's a grasshopper. There he is. Grasshopper. Just picked out the grass. Gonna jump. Gonna hop. Let's put you down. Go on, hop. I think he likes me. Yeah, he's gone. Gonna I bet it needs to dry out.
So cross myself because I was going to put it in my jeans pocket, and I thought, no, if I forget and sit in the car with it in my pocket,
Yeah.
it's strange. So I put it in the bag with the other bits. Okay, see what was
Good boy.
Where's your ball? Go and get your ball.
No! He's gone to see what Nook's been doing.
Go and find your ball.
Eee!